Hello all, namaste, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to add or transform your house into a zero waste place that you can live. Surrounding the house are upcycled wooden pallets. They allow for natural ventilation and natural light, but preventing against direct sunlight. And sitting atop, you'll see the solar panels, which will provide electricity throughout the house. Now let's take a dive inside the house. To our left here is a water storage, and it will harvest the rainwater for use from the garden, toilet flushing, and washing your car. You can also see that it's a shipping container that this interior is made out of, and these are durable, movable, and cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. The gray water system will channel gray water from baths, showers, basins, and washing machines, and you can use these within your toilet. There's a little pump that pumps it throughout the house also. Unplug your TV and appliances, and in standby mode they still use 50% of electricity, so unplug that. Double glazing windows reduce the flow of incoming and outgoing heat. Your stove is going to be more efficient if it is gas, and if you boil any water, just use as much water as you need. Choose an energy and water efficient washing machine and try to use cold water. If you're going to dry your clothes, just hang them up outside. You can install low flow taps to save water, and you can throw a basin in the sink to channel that gray water over to the gray water system. There's a little refrigerator right there, and you can buy energy efficient fridges. Try to defrost your freezer regularly, and don't open the fridge so much when you get bored. Along the wall you can see hanging plants. These are all edible, and all these furnitures are made out of upcycled wooden pallets. So cool. Here's a cute office. That lamp is going to give you the light you need, so don't turn on unnecessary lights, and have the fan on to regulate the air temperature. Good news, if you shower, you use a lot less water. Or just don't shower like me. You'll also use 5 times less electricity. And we've all seen the toilets. If it's brown, flush it down. If it's yellow, let it mellow. Throughout the house, there's translucent roof, and those allow for natural lighting while again reflecting away some of the direct sunlight. You can insulate your hot water pipes, and this will prevent heat loss and reduce the cost of electricity needed to keep it warm. Turn your hot water geyser down to 60 degrees Celsius to save on your electricity bill. And if you can afford to do so, invest in a solar water heater. It uses the sun to heat up your water, saving you up to 25% on your electricity bill. In the comments below, let us know what you use within your home to save electricity. And shout out to Team Mahali, Cape Town Future Energy Festival, for letting us tour their house. Like, comment, and subscribe below.